check it out. Get the fishing rod, you feel me? You already know my boy. Finna take my boy on a little trip. Yep, out here in Memphis, man.
Tennessee is hot as hell, man.
It's hot, man. You don't even want to play out here. Sure. What time is this? 4:21, 93 degrees. Shit, we're gonna see what the water feeling like.
It's like so much down here. It's a Hooters down. It might not even be popular, but it's downtown. It's called the Arcade. They sell like breakfast food all day. I've never ate that though, because they're always packed.
Yeah, there is Bass Pro Shop really. I know it's like on the outside of downtown, kind of, right? Or is it walking distance or not?
What, the Arcade?
The downtown.
Yeah, this downtown right here.
I'm already knowing. Yeah.
Yeah, well, just get on one of them little scooters.
Oh shit, yeah. That's what's up.
Places in here too.
Oh, really?
In the back, yep. All different stores, and you can go like up and down the floor.
It's like they got a hotel or some shit. Bass Pro Shop, they got it over here. 10% discounts every day. Yeah. Welcome to paradise. Oh, look at they got some shit right there. Are those real?
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
There's a bunch of them down there.
Oh, are these catfish or what are they? Sure. Yo. These are huge fish, man. What fish are these? What is this, bro? Look, oh, it's an elevator?
I'm trying to get up there.
Hold on. Brody, what's that over there? You know what this is?
Oh, that's the lookout right there.
The lookout? Oh,
They
shoot.
go all the way up to the top of the pyramid.
Damn. It costs money to get there?
Slick, $8.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. What? Damn. That's smooth. Oh, what the heck? They got an alligator in this cup? Bro, what else they got in here, man? Tiny fish. So it called, oh, look, this is the line. So this here, it costs $8. Huh? Oh. Damn, look at that. I think that's a muskie. Some shit, yeah. You see the bait right here? Let's go.
It doesn't say.
Got this tough bait and tackle. So we can get bait here. Damn. All this. Oh, yep, this is what we're looking for. Yes, sir. Night crawlers. Yes, sir. This is how you get it, bro. The night crawlers, these worms go for real. Yup. Yeah. I know, bro. You like worms?
Nah, bro. I don't like worms.
Nah. So we found the waters, you feel me? You my boy, we out here.
Yeah.
Now. Yo, you see we on the river right now. You know, we in the Mississippi. Yes, sir. Finna cast out in here. Yes, sir. Oh, that's DNR. Yep. That's a cop. Yeah. Check that out. Check out these waters, man. Oh, sorry.
What you catching out here?
Shit, this is the first time I'm out here, gang.
Oh, you record?
Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. This is the first time I ain't from. I'm from Minnesota. So yeah. Where y'all from? Y'all from around here?
From out here, yeah.
Oh really? What do you normally catch around here?
A lot of people catching catfish over here.
Really?
Catfish, yeah.
Wow.
Don't eat anything.
Huh?
Don't eat anything.
Don't eat it? Oh.
The water here is so bad.
Woo.
It's like somewhere right over there. You can see it. I think it's like a.
Wow. Oh yeah. They dump shit in here, huh? Damn.
The other side is a little bit better.
Oh okay.
Good spots over that way, I know.
Thank you, bro.
No problem, man. Y'all keep it.
Yeah, man. I ain't from out here, man. I just, you know. What do y'all normally catch around here? Oh, man. They saying that they catch catfish and shit. I'm like, damn. Let's find out. Look, yeah. Say, look. So look, yeah. See, yeah, this is how you do it. Just remove this thing like this. Then you throw it in like that. Yup. So what? Where, Pastor? Oh, you're good. Yeah. No, you're not holding any fish, so you're good.
Ever caught fish? Big one. What's that?
That's what I'm saying. We caught like a big fish. That the dude kept the fish like it was that big. Like it was a trophy fish, like once in a lifetime fish.
Stick it up on the wall.
Exactly. Damn, this water crazy, man. They finna catch some shit too. Oh shit. Tweak. God damn, that was a dumb move. Huh? On where?
Because of the wind.
Yeah. What side you talking about? You said where you talking about?
I'm saying, why is it like going this side when you throw it like?
Yeah, I know. Let's find out. Hold on. Let's find out. Yeah, I'm about to catch it up.
On the technique.
Yeah. That was not good of a cast, so yeah, actually, that's pretty good. So there's catfish. There's a lot of catfish. There must be. Oh shit. want to try once? Alright. So you just, yeah. Huh? Yeah, so yeah. You just like, you hold it, you kind of hold it like this. Yeah. And then
Which the dominant hand goes where?
hold it with your right hand.
I'm a right hand.
Yeah, right hand. Yeah, just take your finger and then hold this. No, you only take one. Yeah. And then, cause it's like kind of like you just hold it like this, and then you hold it like this. You pull it, like. Yeah, you just hold it like, you take some of the line like this, and then like this, kind of. You just hold it like that, kind of. And then you just, hold it, cause it's gonna, and then you just, yep. Oh my God. Hold on, oh shit, hold on. Oh damn, the worm came off, hold on. Now you do it. Yeah, after that you just close it like this. Yeah. So what?
$5.
The hook, what hooks? Yeah. You said what?
$5. This one was written on the
Oh, for real?
little page.
Yeah, they got.
Something.
Is it? Oh no, I think that's a snag. Was it?
Oh, gone.
No way, bro.
Gone.
That was, I don't know. I think that was a snag. Yeah. A snag is like when a rock takes it. Is that a fish?
Fish.
No, it's a snag. Yeah, see, like this, like, it's not a fish because, actually, yeah, I think it's a snag. Yeah, it's definitely a snag, bro. So today was a little unsuccessful day, sadly, but we finally found a spot, and they said you could catch a lot of catfish and all that stuff around here, so gonna check it out a different day. Yup.
Second trial.
Yep.
Probably the best.
Yes, sir. And if not, the third time's the charm. So make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube, please. Show boys some love. And we'll see y'all the next one.
Yup.